Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best, most delicious, quick and easy Guyanese CONKIE. I haven't had this in so long, but I'll show you guys how it's done. Alright, these are the list of our ingredients that we are going to use, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright. Awesome. So to a nice clean bowl, I'm going to add some pumpkin, and I'm using the tin pureed pumpkin. You can grate your pumpkin if you have those at hand. All right, I'm also using the sweetened coconut flakes, guys, and I'm also adding some brown sugar, some melted butter, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, nutmeg, some ginger powder, and we will go in and mix everything well. You can add some black pepper if you choose to. All right, so now I'm going in with some fine cornmeal. Guys, this used to be one of my favorite. It is super easy to make though. Awesome. You can also choose to add raisins, but I choose to omit that. So that is the banana leaves. You can have a scissors and you cut the hard bit out to the end and use that string to tie the CONKIE in place. All right. And I'll show you how that is done. So to my banana leaves, I'm adding my CONKIE mixture. And I'll give that a nice neat fold. We want to secure this as much as possible. We don't want it to burst in the water or break or anything like that. So what we'll do here is fold both ends in like that. And there's also another way, guys. You can do it with the foil paper, and I'll also show you that also. This is how it is done, and this is the authentic way actually the CONKIE is being done. We tie it in place with the string before we steam it in the water. Awesome, looks amazing. And this, guys, is the other way. Place the CONKIE mixture on the banana leaf. Give that a quick fold, just like that. Remember, again, we want to secure it tightly. We don't want like the water to seep in or anything. Awesome, you can do it, and this is actually so easy, and the results, it's just the same, so let's work smarter here. Okay, so to a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add my CONKIE in there to cook, and after about 35 to 40 minutes, I'm pressing there, just nice and firm. You see it's actually stayed in place, no breakage or anything like that. So I leave this to cool, guys. We have to leave this to cool. It looks amazing. And then let's open one and sample this bad boy here. Guys, it smells amazing. And this is ridiculously easy, like anyone can make this. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. It is buttery, it is soft. Guys, you just have to try this one. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. See you on the next one.